Hello. If you are new, my name is LaShonda. And if you are returning, welcome back. As promised, I will be showing y'all how to cut up a butternut squash. I have my brush. I'm going to the sink and give her a good scrub down because she is kind of dirty. And I want to make sure I remove all the pesticides. So come along. Now she is all clean. So let's proceed with cutting her up. I want to start by cutting off the top. And I want to cut this bottom section off. We'll save this for last. I'm going to cut with this side. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me move a little closer. So what you want to do is go and trim the little white areas. Now we are left with this. I'm going to cut off the sides. Cut the bottom off. Cut her in half. See some seeds. We'll just trim. If you want to, you can take a spoon and scrape the inside. You don't have to use a knife if you don't want to. It still comes off. See? See, it still comes off. Now we're going to cut it up so we can cook it. You will want them to try to be the same size so they can all get done at the same time. But I know that's not always possible. And there you have it. I love the color. I think it is so pretty. Don't you? I'm going to rinse these off and put them in some boiling water. Just in case y'all were wondering, I bought this at my local Walmart in the part of the store where the pots and pans are. It's another day, y'all. I did not have a chance to cook these. I placed them, I put the lid on and placed them in the refrigerator. That's why y'all see all this condensation around the bowl. But here I am. I'm gonna try my endeavor to finish this video for y'all today. So here we are. I want to cook these in my steamer and let them steam in my basket. I'm gonna turn this around so y'all can see. I'm going to move this a little closer, but not too close. I'm going to set this for 30 minutes. Time is up. Let's take a look and see what they're looking like. Let's see. They should be fork tender. Ah, what do you know? They are. Do y'all remember these from my grocery haul? Well, guess what? This would be my side. Let these steam a little. So here she is. There's so much I can say about this meal. If you want to eat clean and clean up your diet, well, this is the perfect place to start. These can be cut up, diced up the day before, and it's very quick. You just put it in some boiling water, a steamer, and let them go on by their business while you go and do whatever you need to do. Or if you're cooking on the stove, you'll just have to keep an eye on it. But you can make a meal off of this because you have your starch, and you have, which is your butternut squash, and you have your watery vegetable, which is your cauliflower, your carrot. The water from them will help you to get full. So, and if you are still hungry, you can always go back and get more. But I am very happy with my meal that I am about to go and enjoy. But first, I need to give it some love. I'm going to love on my meal with some curry powder, ground white pepper, smoked paprika, some Himalayan sea salt, and I have to have my garlic powder. I love my garlic powder. I thank y'all for taking the time to view my channel. I want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers. Welcome aboard. I am so honored to have y'all, and I look forward to making great content for you all. And I love you all, and I thank you for all the support. It is non-stop. Every time I turn around, somebody is loving on me with a comment, and I just thank you. I don't take it for granted at all, because without subscribers, you don't have a channel. So I thank y'all. Well, something else I wanted to say. Well, maybe it'll come back to me later. I don't know. But so if y'all decide to cook y'all butternut squash, send me some pictures. I would love to see them. You can tag me on Instagram as Clean Eating with LaShonda. Or if you don't want to post your pictures, you can always DM me, and I will still have a chance to see them. If you like this video, if you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.